Hello guys, welcome to meet our Microsoft add-in for Outlook and Calendar. In order to install the add-in, you have two options. One is installing from the marketplace or from manual installation of the add-in. For this, you have to go to mail and then click on more actions. You will find get add-ins. Once we have our application approved by Microsoft, you will find by typing MeTower over here. If you want to install it externally, you have the option to go to my add-ins, scroll down and then click on add custom add-in and then tap on add from URL. Paste this URL, which is office365.metatower.io/manifest.xml. It will give you an option to click on install. Once the installation complete, you will find the custom add-in available here. Now in order to use the add-in, you have two options. One is you can use this in your email compose body, or you can use it in the calendar. Now for things to get started, first you have to sign in the MeTower account. For that, just click on login. If you have MeTower already logged in the background, you will see the success page. And once the login is successful, then you have the option to set the meeting name, password, and there are some advanced option of guest user can join meeting, allow participants to join anytime, enable lobby, live pad, whiteboard, and enable recording. Now close this, click on three dots again, go to MeTower add-ins, click on instant meeting. So this is hitting the API of MeTower and will bring the meeting by creating an instant meeting and paste on your Outlook compose body. Similarly, you have to go to calendar, create a new event, and here also you will find the MeTower icon. Click over there and then add an instant meeting. In a similar fashion, you will find the meeting details gets printed on the calendar. Now you can add your timings and add the invitees, and they will get the calendar invite having MeTower already being added to the conference. Thanks for watching.